Want to share a memory on your Instagram story? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the On This Day feature on Instagram stories. Now let's get started. To begin, open Instagram and swipe to the left to open the story camera. Then tap Create on the left. Scroll all the way to the right in the menu at the bottom to get to the On This Day option. If you do not see the On This Day option, that means you have no memories to share for that particular day. Come back the following day to check again. Here you'll see things you posted to Instagram on this day in years past. Tap See All at the top to see any additional memories from that day. Choose one you'd like to post about. Tap the shutter button at the bottom to begin customizing your story post. The memory and text stating how long ago it was will act like stickers, so you can move and resize them if you like. You can customize your story post by changing the background color, adding text, stickers, music, and more. When you're done, go ahead and share your memory to your story. That's all it takes to use the On This Day feature on Instagram stories. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.